Hello everybody, today I am going to teach you the chapter Exponents and Powers. When we multiply the number 4 times 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, we get 3 to the power 4. So here 3 is called as the base and 4 is called as the exponent. And how we have to read this? We have to read it as 3 to the power 4. That is when we multiply 4 times, we get 81. Okay, now when exponent is negative, here it is showing positive, but when exponent is showing negative, can you notice that here it is, I have written here minus 2. So that means we have to divide 1 by 6 to the power 2. Here you have to take the reciprocal of this. So minus 2 means you have to divide it. So 1 divided by 6 to the power 2 is equal to 1 by 36. Now we move on to the next example. 8 to the power minus 3. So when they give minus 3, we have to make a note that we have to divide it by 1 by 8 to the power minus 3. So 1 by 8 multiplied 3 times is equal to 512. Now next one, suppose here they have given only one number, but here they have given here two numbers in the numerator and in the denominator. So that time what you have to do? Take the reciprocal of 3 by 4. What is the opposite of 3 by 4? That is equal to 4 by 3. So here minus 2. Have you noticed that here minus 2 will become plus? So here also the same way minus 2 is becoming plus. So when we multiply here, 4 into 4 will get 16 by 3 into 3, 9. So 16 by 9 will be the answer. And when we have to work out the problems regarding the exponents and powers, we have to learn about the 4 important laws, 4 important formulas. Okay, now I am going to explain about this one by one. The first one is the first law. Here I have taken a to the power minus 1. Already I have explained that minus means you have to divide it. So 1 divided by a to the power n, that where a should not be equal to 0. Already I have given examples for that. This is the formula for the same one. Second law, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to, we have to put together m and n, that is m plus n. So a to the power, when we multiply both the powers, totally the result will be a to the power m plus n. So I have given an example for that, so that you will be easily understand this one, this formula. So 6 to the power 2 into 6 to the power 3 is equal to, add up now, add up both the exponents. So base is what? Base is 6. What are the powers? 2 plus 3. So 6 to the power 5. So next, this is about the second law. So first law is about the division, second law is about the multiplication. On to the second law. Second law is a to the power m into a to the power n. So here we have to add up both the exponents. When they give multiplication, you have to add up. So a to the power m plus n. Example, can you see the example I have written here? 6 to the power 2 into 6 to the power 3. Base is the same, we have to add up both the exponents. What are the two exponents given here? 2 plus 3. So 6 to the power 5. So next, coming to the third law. A to the power m divided a to the power n will equal to, when they give division, we have to subtract it. So a to the power m minus n. We have to follow these rules very carefully before we work out any types of problems. So here, when we divide 5 to the power of 3 by 5 to the power of 2, that is equal to, you have to subtract here. Children, you have to notice here, when they give division, you have to subtract 3 minus 2. So that is equal to 5 to the power 1. And the last law, coming to the last law, that is the fourth law, a to the power 0 is equal to 1. This is very important. A to the power 0 will be equal to 1, whereas a should not be equal to 0. So here, I have given some examples so that you can easily understand. When we divide a to the power m, when we cancel, we get 1. Okay, so we can prove that, hence we are proving that a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Have you understood about this? So the next I have written here some more examples for the same fourth law. That is, when we divide a to the power m minus m, we are getting the same answer 0. But here we have to show that a should not be equal to 0. A to the power 0 is equal to 1. One more example. When we multiply 0 m number of times, the result will be always 0. So these are the 4 important laws you have to be thorough with, okay, before working out any types of problems which are coming under the exponents and powers. So in the next video, I will be explaining how to work out the problems which are coming under this chapter. Thank you.